Today, we are going to hear a very important story called Unity is Strength. Hello, everyone. Gather around. I have a wonderful story to share with you today. It's a tale from a faraway land about a father and his sons. The farmer's sons often argued, so he called them together and gave them a challenge. He held up a bundle of sticks. "Try to break this bundle," he said. The eldest son tried with all his strength, but he couldn't break it. One by one, every brother tried. They pulled and they pushed, but no matter how hard they worked, the bundle stayed whole. Then, the father untied the bundle and gave them each a single stick. Snap! They broke them easily with just one hand. "You see," the father said, "together you are strong like the bundle, but alone you are easily broken. Remember, unity is strength." The children loved the story. They realized that by working together, they could overcome any challenge. So remember, always help one another. Thank you for listening, and see you next time. Goodbye, everyone.